Canva's secret design vault, you won't believe what's hidden. Hey everyone! Tired of spending hours on a single social media post? What if I told you that Canva has a secret, almost hidden library of professionally designed comic strip templates that you can customize in under 60 seconds? So whether you're a beginner or a seasoned designer, this tutorial is packed with tips that will speed up your design process and take your projects to the next level. Let's dive in. Open Canva, then click the More button located next to the search bar at the top. In the search field, type comic strip. You'll instantly see a variety of comic style templates appear for you to choose from. After that, you can scroll down to explore all the available templates and choose the one you like. I've selected one here, and now I can start editing it by adding text. For example, I'll type "Hi there." From there, you can customize it further by adjusting the style, size, color, and filters to match your design. You can choose any template that suits your needs, whether it's for children, work, or any other theme, and customize all the elements, like text, size, color, and images, to fit your style. This will help you speed up your work in just a few minutes. Give it a try and have fun with it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.